Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come on roblox.com and provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and go to the settings of your Roblox account. Over here in the account info tab, you will see your display name where you will see your name as well. So you need to click on this pencil icon in order to change your display name. You need to type your name in Chinese language here. So in order to change your name into Chinese language, you can seek help from Google Translate. Here you need to type your name in English and then you will have to translate into Chinese. Afterwards, you need to click on this copy button in order to copy this translation. Then you need to go back to this page and type your name in Chinese. Now it is showing you that your display name should be at least of 3 characters, so you can just retype the name and let's just check if this is supported or not. So it is showing me that display name contains unsupported characters, so you just have to keep on changing the name or keep on trying something else. Like if I try to change my name something like this, it is quite big now, so you just have to quickly paste it over here and click on the save button. So currently I have changed my display name to the Japanese language, so I won't be able to change my name again for the next 7 days, but you will have to just simply paste the name here and quickly click on the save button. Now once you do this, you will be able to easily change your display name to the Chinese language in Roblox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.